Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute little dress for my daughter. I actually followed a YouTube tutorial, but then I'm just going to show you how I did it and the measurements that I used. So to start off, I had two fabrics which were 20 inches by 20 inches, two square fabrics. And then the first thing that you do is to fold the fabric in half and then start cutting. So the first measurement is 6 inches, and then I went on and I placed my measurement there, and then after that I now drew a line. So please note where I am measuring this and where the fold is. Then I now measured 5.5 inches because my daughter is about 20 months, she's not 2 years old yet, and then I placed that measurement there. Then I now connected that measurement right to the bottom corner, and then I drew a line. Then I went to the folded edge, and then I now started to mark 14 inches from the line to make sure that the skirt will be of an equal length. And then I now went and I drew that curved line on the bottom. This is to give the shape at the bottom of the dress. And then I went on to cut on those parts which I had marked. I first cut the bottom, and then I cut the side seams, and then I cut the opening of the sleeve. After that, I now opened my fabric pieces, and that is the shape that I had. Then I now went on and started stitching. The first stitching that I did was on the sides of the sleeves where I'm pointing. And then I now went on to prepare the sleeves, and the first thing that I do is to cut these little snips about 1/2 inch, just going in like that. Then I took it to the ironing board, and then I folded that edge 2 times. This is the bottom of the sleeves where the hands will come through. So I fold it 2 times, and then I put those little pegs just to hold it down before I went on to stitch. So this is where I will actually stitch. Then before I went on to stitch that, I now went on to the top of the dress, and then first I fold in about 1/2 inch and then ironed. Then I took my elastic to estimate the width of the casing that I will need. This is where I'm going to insert my elastic at the top. So I had about 1 inch. When I measured, it was going to be about 1 inch. So I first fold in 1/2 inch and then iron. Then I folded in 1 inch and then I ironed again. I now went on to stitch all these parts, first the sleeves and then the top. So when you sew the top, don't forget to leave a little space where you insert the elastic. Then I turned the little dress inside out. Then I now went on to stitch the side seams. After stitching the side seams, I now went on to prepare the bottom hem. To prepare the hem at the bottom, I would fold in about half an inch in and then fold in about another half an inch and then iron. This makes it easy for me when I go to stitch it on the sewing machine. So at that point, I'd already sewn the hem and the sleeves and the top of the dress, leaving a little opening for the elastic. I turned the little dress inside out and then I took my elastic. You need to measure your baby girl or whoever you are going to be sewing for. Just put the elastic around their shoulder to estimate how long it will be. And then after that, I now took my little bodkin and my elastic, and then I inserted the elastic inside that casing. I joined the elastic and then I went on to now close the little gap that I'd used to insert the elastic. So at that point, the dress is actually done. And the cool thing about this dress is that it really has no front or back, but when you put it on your little baby or niece or whoever you'll be sewing for, it will look so cute. And there is my daughter. I made you a dress. I made you a dress. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and let me know if I should make more tutorials or more videos for little girls or little boys. Let me know in the comment section. By the way, this is just a little diagrammatic presentation of the measurements that I used. Thank you so much and bye.